Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma unfurled the national flag in Tura on Sunday on the 76th Republic Day, emphasizing the state's developmental strides. Highlighting the vision to double Meghalaya's GDP to achieve a $10 billion economy by 2028, he outlined investments in roads, housing, water supply, power, tourism and IT. Over 2,500 kilometers of roads have been built under PMGSY, with an additional 568 kilometers sanctioned in the past 2 years. Projects like Shillong-Dawki Highway, Tura-Dalu Road and regional road networks funded by external aids are progressing rapidly. The central government has also approved a Rs 2,500 crore mega road project to develop over 300 km of climate-resilient road corridors, reinforcing the state's commitment to inclusive growth and improved connectivity.
The vision of our government is to make Meghalaya a $10 billion US economy by 2028 by doubling our state's GDP. We are poised towards achieving this goal, and strategies are being developed across sectors and investments are being mobilized. The GDP of our state increased from 23,235 crores in financial year 2015 to 53,057 crore in financial year 24. Key areas like roads, housing, water supply, power, tourism and IT are driving this growth. Over the past 5 years, the state government has built more than 2,500 kilometers of roads under PMGSY. The government is in the process of expanding the Shillong Airport to accommodate larger flights and improve connectivity. We are also in touch with the Civil Aviation Ministry to operationalize and start flights between Umroi and Jingjal Airport, which I expect will happen in the coming financial year. Through externally aided projects, regional road connectivity infrastructure of almost 500 kilometers has been developed and maintained, which includes Garobada Dalu Road, Pisia Garampani Road, Umling Patharkhama Road, and Umsning Jagi Road, aimed at improving road connectivity in all regions of the state. Based on the state's good performance in the road sector, Government of India has recently approved mega project for improving the road sector with an investment of 2,500 crores. Under this project, more than 300 kilometers of double-lane climate-resilient road corridors shall be developed, and this will contribute to realizing our Mission 10. In our own city of Tura, we will be very soon starting the construction of our secretariat here in Tura in Dakhopri. 120 crores has already been sanctioned, and this project will commence in the next month or a couple of months. Expansion of PA Sangma Sports Complex for additional 5,000 seats in the football stadium will also commence this month. The integrated complex of the PA Sangma Stadium will also be completed by 2026 mid. The Pathogan Nengmanza Stadium will also have additional galleries and additional space being built. Tomorrow, I will be laying the foundation for the future security of water supply in Tura. 400 crores of project has been envisioned, where reservoir will be created so that for the next 40 to 50 years, the requirement of Tura town will be taken care by this reservoir. We will be laying the foundation, as I said, for that project tomorrow.